Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see the green lines. I've applied them in order to show you the actual evidence that the reset option works. So we can enter the settings which are in the left upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's tap on reset settings and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on reset. We just got back to the camera. This is the very first evidence because this is the first question if you will open the camera for the very first time. What's more, and the grid lines disappeared, so it means that we just successfully reset camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.